Hey, my friend, do you know this also? When sometimes you hear something, a knock, a whisper, and you don't know where it's coming from, but you follow that impulse. You search and then you find him, the woodpecker. He looks out of his cavity, stares at you for a whole minute. It feels like he's checking if you're truly listening. And when he finally flies out, he makes these soft, whispering calls. Not a loud cry, just a sign for you. An answer that it's worth following your intuitions. Because sometimes you receive the quietest replies in the very moment you just show up and pay attention. Have a wonderful day. I love you.